Hi, welcome back to Subpar Cooking. In today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to make potato chips. Alright, your first step, you got to make sure to wash your potatoes. Just make sure nothing nasty on them. There you go. Potatoes are washed. Now we're going to take this nice slicer here and we're going to slice them into thin pieces just like this. Let me show you how. Make sure you don't cut yourself because that would hurt.
Eat it.
But they're not cooked carrots.
Eat it. I'd eat an egg for you. Come on.
When you get to this short part, you really don't want to cut your fingers, so you're just going to throw this part away, because, I mean, it'll be fine. And now look at this. All of this is going to be potato chips. Aren't you excited? I am! Wow! Alright, you're going to take a tablespoon of oil. It can be vegetable oil, canola oil, any oil really. Get a tablespoon of it here. And you're going to get a Ziploc bag and pour it in. Alright, now we're going to add our potato slices and just put them in here. Now we're going to shake them. You gotta shake it!
Oh! He's going crazy!
Oh, I think that's shaking it enough. Now you're going to take some cooking spray and we're going to spray it lightly on the plate. Now you're going to take your potato slices and you want to put them on the plate so they cover the entire plate, but you don't want to layer them on top of each other because then they won't cook correctly and then you won't have potato chips and that's not fun because I like potato chips. Now you're going to take your plate of uncooked potato chips and we're going to pop them in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to start with 3 minutes. You want to go until they're nice and golden brown, just like a Lay's potato chip. Except yours will be better, because they're home cut. Alright, looks like they're done. Now that's a potato chip consistency.
Ooh, that's snap!
Now we gotta put some salt on. Alright. You want to just keep doing different batches of potato chips until all your potatoes are cooked. Oh! Let's try one. Wow, that was really good. Who would have known? You can cook potato chips in the microwave. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to tune in next time. Subpar Cooking. Yo bro, where's the oven mitt?
Yeah, it's just right there.
Underwear!